when it's hit. So when I open that up, it does something else as well. I don't need it everywhere. I just need it on some. I can get rid of this now, I think. I'll keep it until the end of the show. All right, so now when we click one of these buttons, we execute the skill check command. So let's go find that. Skill check. There's probably 100 matches for that. Do I have a command? Cool. All right, so that calls into prepare skill check. Prepare skill check. That's where we want to come in and do this other code. That's what I think we want to do. So we're looking for get sheet for character and player ID, active player, dot player ID, like this. Let's declare something, we'll declare local for that. I call it player. Let's also make sure active player is existent. If active player is not null. And if that's not null, oops, player, I meant to say player sheet. Just call it character sheet. Character sheet, if character sheet is not null, then I want to call, what is it, something page? Got it written down, change page. And then we're going to say the new page, which is the scroll page. Dot skills. Okay. And I think that's it. We set a breakpoint right here. Let's run it. Okay, let's hit the button Insight, and we should get breakpoint. No breakpoint? Did we lose our connection? We might have lost our connection. Sometimes that happens. Yeah, none of the buttons are functional. If I'm there for a while, so I think we're going to restart. Run it again. What's interesting is, well, I'm only hooking 2 events here, but this I think is dummy. This one is not used. I think we destroy this when we re-add. These pieces here.
Yeah.
Skill check requested. Oh right, I forgot about this. I have the ability to right-click and choose like this.
Okay.
And notice you can see that we got a little bit of the highlighting, but not exactly what I want.
Yeah.
-1 failure.
Skill check considered. That's the one that triggers the highlighting. Select skill. Oh, look at that.
That makes sense, yeah.
It changes just the combo box. How is it not? I don't understand. Is anybody else hooking this? No? Page background clicked. Clear highlighting. Well, we're close. That's when I click outside of it.
Yeah.
Page change charges changed. No character changed. Except for character skill check requested. Saving throw considered. Skill check considered. I'm just trying to figure out how we are sending down the data down below that we're considering it. I'm not sure. There may be just some flat out data that's in the character itself.
Well, I mean, it feels like so you're going to click on a skill, which is the indication from the highest level that you're going to consider it. Then this method here fires the select skill then for the specific thing that's happened. So presumably within select skill, we're then sending our message down below.
You want to drill in? Is that what you're saying? There's just this. All it's doing is just changing the combo box. And there's no event on the combo box that I saw. Maybe I'm wrong on that. Skill selection change, nothing's going on. So I think it's data in the character that's sent down that includes, am I considering something?
Right, yeah. There was a point where we weren't being very granular about the data we sent down. There was always just oh yeah, here's the whole character, just with subtle tweaks here and there. Yeah,
and so I think that's what's going on. When I click one of these, I think, see what's happening, the performance change that's happening, I think that's part of it. Okay, let's go back to where we were. We got that select skill is kind of interesting, but it's not quite everything that we want. Skill check considered. I'm hitting escape. Am I done? Where was I? I was out in that other place.
I mean, maybe we can work it back from the message that's being sent. There weren't many different messages. Maybe the signal R, we could lead back from there into whatever methods are triggering it.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. Okay, so I've got the breakpoint here already in here. So let's just try it. I'm gonna bring up Fred. I'm doing a skill test. I'm gonna hit animal handling. Should get a breakpoint.
Did get.
Which we're at right there.
Yep.
So we're gonna get the character sheet if we can. Oh, it's taking a really long time. I just hit F10. Okay. Skill check. I should have maybe done this inside of a safe invoke call because we're accessing UI. This might be problematic. Change page to the skills. Yeah, I think it was already there. So let's switch back and let's try it again. Let's hit the breakpoint here though. And I'm going to move the code up. Let's try that. Nice. At least we got it to change.
Yeah.
For just Fred, right? So it might happen for everybody, but the active character. I guess the bad time is if it's Fred's turn, it brings up, somebody else. We might. I guess I was thinking, well, who is rolling? It's kind of what I was thinking of. Select skill. Okay. All right. Let's figure out how to highlight it.
Unfortunately, Mark, I've just noticed the time, and I'm out.
All right, buddy.
I've run out of time.
We'll see you.
We'll see you on Tuesday.
All right.
Great weekend.
I was gonna give away to one of my co-hosts, but you're leaving, I guess. So unfortunately, did that work, Pudding? I didn't see or hear it. Marky Pudding just wrote, "Hey, Rory, come back." I didn't see it. Nope, it didn't work.
There's been a few of those failing and a few of those working throughout, I think.
Well, if they're coming from my buttons, they work, but if they're coming from the chat room, neither did the party. Oh, I missed party. That's this thing. Why is this breaking? Why is this? It's like it's not getting chat messages. If I shut it down and restart it, which I'm about to do, everybody ready for the third fanfare? Here it comes. It'll work. All right, Roy. Sorry, you gotta leave way sooner because I'm like, I like to give you a 5-minute exit. All right, we'll see you later, buddy.
All right, bud. Have a good one. We'll see you soon.
Take care. All right. Bye. Thank you. Bye. All right. Thanks to Rory. He was awesome. I just restarted it up. See if it's now. There you go. Rory, come back. No. Not a third pudding dump for the day. Well, let's get that dragon down. I'm tired of that thing flying, making a lot of noise. I worked on that yesterday. Thanks for letting me know about that. What was happening is the party was sending sound out to both my desktop and out to the stream. And it needed to only set it to the stream. So good. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, so what I think is happening, I think there's kind of some obscure stuff that's happening inside Character Sheet. Let's skill check considered event. On skill check considered. Well, that only happens when the context menu is open. Have anything with the word focused? Do it has focus? Focused. Focused. This is all ringing a bell. Statbot state. Okay. On activated. Preview activated event. Doesn't look like anybody's handling this though. Wait, do I tap to this reference on this guy? No. What about activated? Stat box activated. On activated. Grid sheet. Okay, we trigger it. Same with mouse down. So somewhere, let's just set a breakpoint here and come over here and like click on athletics. Okay. Can I F11 to anything? Raise event. I'm just hitting F11. It didn't even take me into raise event. Wait, here we go. Page skills activated. On page changed. So nothing new. And nothing's happening there. Wait, we're getting another activated, another piece changing. Let's just set a breakpoint there. And let's come back over here. Run. Run. Now let's come over here and click on like athletics. And just run it. And run it. And run it. It gets close. So there's some signal R piece that's being sent out. Let's try it again. And now here, when I click on it, here's where I think we get just two activators there. Interesting. Okay, one more time. Page change doesn't occur because we're already on the page. I see, right? 1, 2. Athletics. You get one call. Set box activated. stat box state. So it's now got a value that's focused. And it's called stat box state. Okay, which is what we're in. All right, let's just keep popping out of here. And then I hit Shift F11 and I'm just running the app. Because the canvas mouse down is in there. All right, let's try the other approach. Let's try to get... Let's go to the Hubtastic base station and see if we can find out what's being sent down. Yeah, I am slightly wary of this because I think it's going to be some old code that's sending a lot of data. I think it's here. I think that's what's happening. So if I click on nature, activated, let's clear that. Oh, I don't get there. It's not player changed. It's not that one, but it could be this one right there. Nope, not there. Let's see what we got. Chief player stats, maybe? Float player text, no. Focus item. Oh, that feels like it's got to be it. Sweet. Okay. I want to call this. What's the value of focus item? Skills, animal handling. So I need a way to get to this text right here is what I need to do if I'm going to make this call. Okay, let's run it. Let's go back to where we were before. I think we still got a breakpoint there. Do I? No breakpoint. That's where we're propeller skill check. So I'm using, by the way, this is Code Places in CodeRush, and one of the things it tracks is my history of things I've been working on. So it remembered I was there, which I'm thankful for because now it's on my way back. Let's bring up another one of these perceptions. Perception. Oops, not that. And this before was like, I think, skills plus essentially this to string, I think. Let's see what we get. See if it's close. Skills perception. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Let's try it again. Let's do intimidation.
Intimidation.
Well, there's a little bit of something there for a second, but I don't think it found it. I think it needs skills intimidation is what I think it needs. Let's go see if we can find that text down here in the TypeScript. Oh, it's an enum. Emphasis skills. Do I have the same? Do I have anything like that over here? I do not. And I just think it's got to be case sensitive. That's my sense is what I need to do. At least get the data coming down there right. All right, let's do this. Put a breakpoint in here again. We're going to call something else when we get there. Let's hit a button. I'm going to go into D&D utils and we're going to say to skill item name. What's this? Why do I have one here? Oh, is it because of this? Yeah, okay. Let's declare that. So I'm going to take all of these one-word pieces. I just need them uppercase is what I need. So I'm just going to take all of them and I'm just going to return upper, do a two-string on it and initial cap it. Is it true of all of these? I was just thinking sleight of hand. Some of these have a couple words in them. It might just be true of all of these. And what do we get to? No, it's not. It's true. The first 7, we're just flat out going to say return get initial cap of skill check. bunch of code that doesn't compile here. So fix that. And then the rest of these are all going to be return the word skills. Plus that. And that's going to give me the rest of all of these right down here. And then otherwise we're just going to be like return string.empty if we're down in there. Okay, so then we got to get initial cap here. Wish it had that on it already. What? Is that my extension method? That might be mine. Yeah, it looks like it's mine. Okay, good. at least somebody did that. Okay, so I've got initial cap on it. I guess I could inline that method and delete it. I don't really think I need to inline it there, and then inline it here and delete it. Okay. So that's going to give me to skill item name. That's going to give me what I need here. So let's now F10 and see if that works. And its skills arcana. It didn't do it. I think it said it didn't continue. So when I try to step into it, something didn't quite work. Let me set a breakpoint in here. Set it again. Method not found. Yeah, it said didn't continue. We're gonna have to restart. Okay, restart it. I wonder if Party 4 will be not safe for work. And with I wonder, I mean, I hope. If it's not safe for work, we can't play it on this show. Okay. All right, let's try it. Fred. And acrobatics. Right, so here. Let's see what the item name comes back as. I think this is all going to work now. That was right. Copperbeardy.
Copperbeardy is in the house.
Welcome. Okay, so now we've got this, which looks more like what Focus Item was looking for. We send that over, and maybe we'll see something for a flash here. We're trying to focus the acrobatic skill. Oh, there it is. Better. And so now when they do the roll, you should see that's so much better. And then +7.
11 plus 7. Success.
Makes more sense. All right. You know what, Copper thanks for joining today. Marky, did you know Copper did something awesome? Is that putting the red sunflower is a thing? Did the die bounce off Zephyr's frame? No. It did not. But I do have is an invisible wall that kind of runs across the top of, well, yeah, I guess it does. I have an invisible wall up by the frame, and I have another one across the top. I'll get him. Hit that coding gorilla. Perfect. So anyway, kids, I think I'm going to call that a day. I'm glad to spend time with you guys, but I'm going to probably go get some food. Got to go switch over to an intense Dev Express day. Rest of my day here. Oh, I'm showing up again. Yeah. And that's it. We just got a bunch of stuff I got to figure out. The Code Rush, and then we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got Kids Code, and we're working on visualizing vectors in three-dimensional space. That's beginner-friendly coding in Unity and C#. But I'm almost thinking that we're going to take a diversion and build a program that solves Sudoku puzzles instead. I'm thinking about doing that instead tomorrow for Kids Code. So maybe we'll do that. Wow, I didn't hear the sound alert. Did it come up? I didn't hear the sound alert. Coding Gorilla, let me know if that did not play. It might have been whatever we were on. Whatever scene we're on didn't have what it needed. I didn't either. Shrug. If you don't mind, Coding Gorilla, let's see. Can I redeem something? Ooh, maybe I can do it. Hold on. Which sound alert? The whoa? There it is. Let me try it. See what I hear now. No sound alert. What am I missing? All right, I'll have to figure that out. Let's get a stream. Let's get a rate going, everybody. Yeah. We had them working before. Why? It could be also. It could be that it's not a setup issue, but it could be that it's an issue because of the when we broke internet. Sometimes I find you have to refresh the browser overlays, and it might have been that it broke, and because it's connecting with maybe SignalR or something like that. Maybe that's what's going on. I'm going to send you over to Oh Bother, one of my absolute favorites out here. Yeah, we're raiding. Who are we raiding? Fluffy? No, we're not raiding Fluffy. We're raiding Oh Bother. You can go to Fluffy if you want. You have to go over there instead. But Oh Bother's just got great hardware stuff. If I had nothing to do, no responsibilities, I'd be hanging out there all day. All right, see you kids.